There are so many theories out there on how to indicate properly when you're overtaking parked vehicles on the side of the road. So here I'm going to explain exactly how you need to do it in the most common situation where a lot of people make mistakes and potentially fail their driving assessment. What should you do when overtaking a parked car on a residential street if you have to give way to vehicles coming from the opposite direction? So there can be various situations, but this one is the most common where people get confused about indicators, when to indicate and how long to leave it on and why. Should you leave the indicator blinking or switch it off while waiting to proceed? If you switch off your indicator, drivers that approach you from behind while you wait to give way can potentially assume that you are parked as well. See, in this scenario, I'm in a gold Camry here and I signalled to warn the driver behind me that I'll go first after it's safe to do so, because we've got a car coming from the opposite direction here. By the way, the driver behind me should have indicated too, to warn drivers behind them that they are not parked but waiting to proceed after he gives way to the car from the opposite direction. If the driver behind you thinks that you are parked, if you didn't indicate of course, they will probably attempt to overtake you as well as the car that's parked in front of you. So leave your signal on to go smoothly through this section of your driving test. The whole idea of your signal in traffic is to let other road users know what you intend to do before committing to it. Why do we call them indicators in the first place? Because we are indicating our intention. Pretty straightforward. Timing is really important too, because you must give sufficient warning to everyone involved, such as other drivers, potential pedestrians around you and cyclists as well. Driving test assessors will check signals more thoroughly when performing complex tasks like the situation that we just analysed here. If you feel that you lost points because of the assessor's wrong judgment, you are entitled to lodge a formal complaint. More on that topic in the following video, so check this video out. Thanks for watching. Feel free to ask us any questions down in the comments below. Drive safely and I'll see you in the next video.